Changing your MetaTrader 4 trading account password is a straightforward way to manage account security, and MT4 gives you more than one way to access that setting. Whether you want to update the main trading password or change the read-only investor password, the process is handled from within the platform itself. One option is through the main menu, under Tools, then Options, and on the Server tab, you can open the password change window directly. The other route is through the Navigator panel, where you can go to the account, right-click on it, and choose the option to change the password from there. In both cases, you arrive at the same place, which allows you to update either the main password for trading access or the read-only password for investor access. That distinction is important. The main password controls full access to the account, including trading activity, while the read-only password is designed for viewing the account without giving permission to place or manage trades. So when you make the change, you need to be clear about which type of access you are updating. Once the password window is open, you enter the current main password, choose whether you are changing the main or read-only version, then enter and confirm the new password. After that, the update is applied to the account and the new credentials become active for future logins. In practical terms, the process is quick and built into the platform. You are not changing the account itself, only the way it is accessed. That makes it a simple but important part of keeping the account secure and managing who can view it or trade on it.